Hey, it's David. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that your car earned money while it sat in your driveway. No extra hours, no second job, just smart use of an asset you already own. In this video, I'll show you how part-time car sharing can become a calm, predictable cash flow. Stay with me because in a moment, I'll reveal a simple utilization formula that shows exactly how many days you need booked each month to break even and then profit. Here's the unexpected truth most people never hear. It's not about owning a fancy car, it's about running a simple system. Peer-to-peer car sharing rewards reliability, clean listings, and smooth handoffs more than horsepower. A modest, well-maintained vehicle with a great profile consistently outperforms flashier cars that are hard to insure or maintain. Price is what you pay, value is what you get, and renters value convenience more than chrome. So who actually rents part-time cars? Three groups book most often: travelers who prefer local pickup, weekenders who don't want ride shares, and gig or appointment users who need wheels for a day. Your listing should speak to those outcomes. Instead of saying great car, say airport adjacent pickup available, fuel efficient city driver, or child seat on request. When you sell outcomes, your calendar fills faster. Let's get practical. Think of your car as a micro business with 4 levers: pricing, availability, operations, and protection. Pricing starts with a triangle. Pick a baseline rate that's slightly below traditional rental counters in your area, add a weekend or holiday premium if demand spikes locally, and reduce the rate on low-demand weekdays to keep utilization steady. Most people never hear this part, but a small weekday discount often adds more monthly profit than a big weekend surge. Availability is your silent growth engine. If you only share on days you don't need the car, mark those days far in advance and keep the rest open. Many hosts set 2 recurring windows: commuter-friendly weekdays and weekend getaways. Calendar clarity beats guesswork. Remember Peter Drucker's line, "What gets measured gets managed." A clean calendar is measurable and manageable. Operations decide your reviews. Create a repeatable handoff. Remote unlock options or key safes make late arrivals painless, while a 3-step check-in keeps you protected. Ask for a quick video walk-around at pickup and drop-off. Note the odometer and fuel, and confirm tire condition. Keep a 2-bin trunk kit, one with wipes, microfiber towels, and a compact vacuum. The other with a tire inflator, jump starter, phone cables, and a spare screen-mounted QR code linking to your quick car guide. Smooth handoffs earn 5 stars, and 5 stars earn search rank. Protection is where many beginners get nervous, so let me simplify. Think in layers. Document condition before every trip, store records in a shared folder, and set reasonable trip limits. If your platform offers various protection packages, choose the one that gives you a comfortable deductible for your car's value and mileage. Keep routine maintenance scheduled and visible in your guide. The goal is low anxiety for you and high clarity for renters. Here's why this model can be genuinely part-time. You don't need full occupancy. You need profitable occupancy. Use this quick utilization formula. Profit equals booked days times daily rate minus daily fixed costs minus variable costs. Fixed costs include insurance differences and depreciation you're comfortable allocating. Variable costs include cleaning, fuel differences, and miles-based maintenance. If your fixed plus variable costs average £14 per day, and your daily rate is £38, each booked day nets roughly £24. At that rate, 8 booked days per month cover £192, and days 9 through 12 push you into consistent side income. Stay with me, because in part 2, I'll show you how to push utilization without lowering price. Let's tighten your listing. Write the top line like a headline that solves a renter's problem. Easy airport pickup, contactless entry, phone mounts and chargers included. Second line speaks to the experience. Clean, quiet, great on fuel. Perfect for errands and weekend escapes. Third line answers friction points. Simple check-in, clear photos, no smoking, pets by approval. Add 10 well-lit photos that start with the exterior at an angle, interior dashboard, trunk space, back seat, and the trunk kit. Visual clarity reduces messages. and fewer messages mean faster bookings. What about risk? You manage it. Never hand off to a rushed description. Use platform screening tools, stick to your rules, and trust your checklist. If a request feels off, decline politely and keep your standards. Calm choices protect your 5-star average, and 5 stars are your advertising budget. Here's why this matters. A clean listing, a proven handoff, and a simple formula remove the guesswork. You stop hoping for bookings and start planning them. In part 2, I'll give you a pricing ladder to capture premium trips, a retention message that turns one-time renters into repeat customers, and a maintenance rhythm that keeps your car earning while you sleep without turning you into a full-time detailer. Stay with me. The next 3 moves change the math. Let's turn bookings from lucky to likely. Start by building a pricing ladder that rewards commitment and convenience. Your base rate anchors the listing. Above that, add a convenience premium for contactless airport pickup or late-night returns, and a multi-day efficiency discount that kicks in on day 3. This ladder does 2 things. It nudges short errand trips into full weekend bookings, and it signals to price shoppers that value lives in longer, calmer rentals. Here is the unexpected truth. A steady stream of 3- and 4-day trips will usually beat a random handful of single-day spikes. Now open your calendar in a way that creates momentum. Block the times you truly need the car. Then keep the rest open at least 4 weeks out. If you can, allow same-day requests with a 2-hour buffer to catch last-minute opportunities. Most people never hear this part, but a generous pickup window and a clear after-hours return policy quietly move your listing up in search because you solve more renter problems than your competitors. Next, transform first-time renters into fans. Use 3 short messages. The welcome note is a friendly checklist sent at confirmation with the pickup method, the quick guide link, and 1 sentence that removes anxiety. I will be on standby during pickup if you need anything. The mid-trip nudge is a simple question on the first evening. Is everything driving smoothly? The farewell note arrives an hour before return with a thank you, the drop-off steps, and an invitation. If this car fit your plans, I can pre-approve your next trip at the same rate and include contactless handoff. That single line is how repeat business begins. Let's talk cleanliness without turning you into a full-time detailer. Use a 15-minute reset routine after each trip. Windows, touch points, floor mats, quick vacuum, and a lint roller for the seats. Keep a travel-sized odor neutralizer, not perfume, and a small fabric brush. Then schedule a weekly hour for a deeper wipe down and a monthly hour for tire pressure, fluids, wipers, and an interior refresh. Consistency matters more than perfection. A reliable, good experience beats the occasional showroom shine. Protection remains simple when you stay systematic. Photograph the front, rear, both sides, the odometer, and the fuel gauge at pickup and return. Save them in a folder named by the trip code. Set a clear fuel and mileage policy in the listing and apply it consistently. People respect boundaries that are communicated calmly and early. If your platform offers several protection plans, choose the one that lets you sleep, not the one that squeezes another pound from the rate. Peace of mind is part of your profit. Here is a small lever with a big effect. Bundle useful extras that save renters time. Phone chargers, child seat on request, umbrella in the door pocket, and a simple toll transponder if allowed. Price extras reasonably and mention them in your headline. Most guests will not use them, but knowing they exist reduces decision friction and raises the chance of a booking. What about the fear of wear and tear? Manage miles and maintenance like a business. Set a daily mileage limit that makes sense for your car, price additional miles fairly, and track your service intervals. Keep a simple spreadsheet for bookings, cleaning costs, mileage, and earnings. Open a separate bank account for the project. When money trails are clean, decisions are easy, and easy decisions keep the car on the road. Let me give you a practical utilization target. If your break-even sits near 8 booked days per month, aim first for 10 to create a small buffer, then nudge toward 12 so one good weekend covers your fixed costs and the rest becomes pocket money. To push utilization without discounting, change the story in your photos. Lead with angles that show space, comfort, and charging ports. Add a hero photo of the trunk wide open with travel bags. People buy the trip they see. If you ever consider adding a second car, only do it when the first one runs on rails. Your proof is a calendar filled mostly by repeat guests and a routine that feels boring in the best way. Boring is the sign of an engine that prints steady income. Here is why this side hustle works while you sleep. Once your listing, messages, and handoff run as a loop, you stop selling a car and start selling reliability. Your photos answer the first questions. Your checklist answers the second. Your timely messages answer the third before it is asked. Bookings become a byproduct of clarity. So, here is your small action plan for this week. Photograph your car in good light from 4 angles, trunk open, cockpit close up, mounts and chargers visible. Write a headline that promises outcomes. Easy airport pickup, contactless entry, great on fuel. Build your 3 message templates and your 2 bin trunk kit. Set your base rate, the weekend premium, and the multi-day discount. Then publish and let the listing breathe for 7 days. Watch which days get clicks. Adjust weekday rates by a few pounds to smooth the calendar. Stay with me because the next video shows you the exact pricing tweaks that lift revenue without touching your headline, and a retention script you can paste into your messages today to turn 1 happy renter into 3 more. The system is simple. Build clarity, protect your time, then let your car work calmly while you rest.